Massanutten Bike Park in Virginia. This is my first time coming to Massanutten. I was here for the Downhill Southeast Race 2. This is Sunday about 11 o'clock and it was a beautiful, beautiful day. We were done with practice and we still had a few hours until our race run, so Steve and I grabbed a lap on Creamy. Hey, I got a favor to ask. Would you consider subscribing to this channel, giving the videos a like, and add a comment? It actually really helps us to grow the channel.
John almost fell over right here. He almost fell over here.
Oh no, I wouldn't do that. Oh yeah! Woo! Yeah! Oh, I didn't see that one. Woo! Oh, it's so fun. Yeah! Oh! I chickened out on that one. I chickened out on that big one.
Oh, isn't that perfect?
GoPro, stop recording. Dude, that's so freaking fun.
It's so good. It's not too much.
Yeah, yeah.
I think we're almost done.
Woo! Yee! it, buddy? That's fun.
This was such a fun trail. I can't wait to go back to Massanutten. This is a great jump line to progress on. In some ways it reminded me of Skyline, but I actually think it's better. Let me know in the comments what you think. I hope you enjoyed the video, and we look forward to making more. See you on the next one.
GoPro, stop recording.